guys, and thanks for joining me. I'm going to be trying something different today. I'm going to be experimenting and trying to create gold pearl cells. If you've seen any of my other videos, you'll know I really like adding silicone to my paint to create some interesting cells. And what I'm going to do today is to try a different method to create some gold pearls. So I won't be using any silicone at all, and I'm kind of curious to see if I can get this technique to work. I saw this on the YouTube channel Pouring Your Heart Out, so I'll have a link to that channel too in the description box so you can check that out as well. First, I'm going to layer on the gold paint that I'm using, which is Extreme Sheen 24 karat gold paint by Deco Art. I have 76 grams of paint in this cup, and it's mixed in the ratio of 1 part paint to 1 part Floetrol. And the size of the canvas that I'm using is an 8 by 8 inch canvas, which is roughly 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters. I'm also going to go ahead and pour some gold in the corners. It is always a bit of a challenge getting the paint over the edges and the corners, so I'm just going to add some gold there to help with that. The next thing I'm going to do is just layer in the various other color paints into this cup. First I'm going to put in the turquoise. This is turquoise by Artist Loft, and then on top of that I'm going to layer in some unbleached titanium. And then on top of that I'm going to layer in some phthalo green. All of the paints that I'm putting into this cup are mixed in the ratio of 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water, and I have a total of 76 grams of paint in the cup. The next thing I'm going to do is pour on the other colors. My understanding of how you get this to work is that the gold or the metallic base color that you have down should be thicker than the colors that you pour on top of that. So that's why I have my gold mixed in the ratio of 1 part paint to 1 part Floetrol, and then the colors that I'm layering over the top, I have them mixed in the ratio of 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water, so they are thinner than the gold that I have in the base color. Okay, so now it's time to tilt the canvas and spread the paint around and see if we can get those gold pearls to pop up. Oh, I'm so happy to see some pearls popping up. I was really wondering if I was going to get this to work. Okay, so now I'm going to bring you in for a front view as well as a close-up. If you found this helpful, if you learned something, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again next time. Goodbye.